Morning. Not necessarily good morning because I didn't really sleep last night. And as you can see, if I show you around, not many bikes left. I've just been chilling out. It's nearly 7 o'clock. So I need to get moving, get on the road. 200 kilometers to do. 3 more categorized climbs. It's 22 altogether, so we've done 19 in the first 400. They're 80 odd K away, so don't have to worry just yet. So Wigmore, where the control is in Herefordshire. So I'm back in England for the moment. Back into Wales later on. Heading to Hay-on-Wye and a bunch of other places. Eventually crossing over the Old Severn Bridge. And this second part of the ride, second part of the weekend, is less vigorous than the first half. Not only is less distance, there's less climbing as well. There's, like I said before, 3 categorised climbs, and in the sort of midsection after that, it's a lot flatter. And that's probably because we leave Wales. If you've watched the video up to this point, do me a favour, hit that subscribe button and give it a like as well if that's your thing. Morning sheepies. You know, I learned this morning that the first person to Wigmore reached there at 9:30 last night. 16 hours elapsed time, an average speed of 25 kilometers an hour, assuming they made no stops. Nice. It's an Audax straight line to somewhere. I don't know what it is. In the last 10 miles I've been for a wee twice. I can feel it coming on again. Just these hydration tablets. I definitely do need to keep drinking now because I'm feeling a little bit hydrated. So just keep on drinking really. Eventually I'll get to the point where I won't keep peeing so often. Weather is stunning again. The sun is out. Look at that. It's starting to feel a little bit warm as well. The arm warmers rolled down. Started this ride with no leg warmers. I took my shoe covers off. Bloody freezing last night. It was a big huge hill and it was a lot of work, sweating and everything, and I had to come down it again. Oh, it was so cold. I'm in a jacket that I've been given by a company called InBike. They've not asked me to promote it or anything, just try this jacket out. It's kind of a rain jacket really. The inside's got like a plasticky kind of material to it, so it's not going to be great for breathability, but for last night, you know, when it's cold and you're pretty much off the big hills, it was ideal really. And it's quite packable as well, so if I can find a link, I'll drop it in the description somewhere. Might do a review in future, might not. I need to test it out in the wet weather really. An interesting entrance towards Hay-on-Wye. Toll bridge, £1. And this toll bridge was like the Hawksnow Bridge in North Lincolnshire. If you live in that area, you know what I mean. It's kind of wooden beams. I'm like, didn't look awful safe. There must be a weight limit on it. Just passed through Monmouth for the second time this weekend. Heading towards Chepstow now. Through the valley towards Tintern, I think it is. Hopefully the road is all open now, because the last time here I went about 3 or 4 roads upwards. Before I got the right one. Did loads of extra climbing. It's a nightmare. The big noise of the day is my shifting. It seems to be playing up. I've had to walk one hill. Couldn't get into the gear, and when I could, it kept skipping all the time. Just wouldn't hold the gear. So yeah, I've got one more big hill to go at some point. I think that's probably at the end of this road, so maybe walking it again. Let's see if it behaves itself. I'm sort of happy now. Just got the help from the guy behind me. I knew what I was doing, and I needed an extra pair of hands to hold the bike while I pushed the derailleur inwards and tinkered around with the delimiters. So I managed to move the cogs down a little bit, so I've got a bit more cadence going on. So the whole Severn Bridge, this one. Monday, Tuesday, happy days. Woo! Well, what a fantastic weekend it's been. 528 kilometres done now, 70 something to go, mostly flat, got one more stamp to get. So on my way to the Black Shed Cafe now. Google says it's closed at 4. We will see. I know it's Sunday, but it's beautiful, gorgeous weather. And there's an Audax on, so you know, it's strange to close at 4 when the weather's so beautiful. It's an outdoor scenic venue right next to the canal. It'd be strange if it is closed. So I'm pretty close now, and it's literally, well, it's dead on 4 o'clock. It's the last stop. They're closing soon, so you better get your alcohol in. These 3 guys who have sitting off all day have arrived, and they're probably going to join me for a beer. This guy here will do. He's been drinking alcohol the entire weekend. So heading to Gloucester now, and they're going a bit faster than me. I tell these guys it's about a mile, this canal path. I think like 2 miles already. I've loved sharing the experience with you. If you've enjoyed it as well, let me know in the comments below which has been your favourite part. The final stretch. Here we are, making our way into Gloucester. So we've got Jonathan, Ian and Andy behind us. Been a good ride, hasn't it?
Amazing ride. Careful ahead. Oh, got a GoPro.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, was that a curb? No, you're right. Pedestrians.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, what? Yeah, complete. Ah! Oh, this is interesting, this.
Warnings are so late here. Did you see it? I thought that was it.
I don't remember this. Next up is the final control in Bushley. Matter of minutes away, I think. Just got to roll through Tewkesbury. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Once again, if that's your thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And finally, if you want to support the channel, head over to Buy Me a Coffee, link below in the description, or you find the card up in that corner of the screen. So, did you enjoy that? On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being crap.
Oh,
What, 5?
Oh, it'll be a 5.
Yeah.
But there were certain elements which were 0.
Yeah? Right, some testing elements, yeah.
Like having to walk up hills in the middle of the
We
night.
had a burger at Burger King.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
That was a tough one.
So what's next, did you say, distance-wise, this year?
I got LEL.
Well, good luck with both those. I'm sure you'll smash it. Yeah, you got a strategy for LEL then?
Yeah. Ian's going to carry all my stuff.
Turn up,
The camel.
turn the pedals, eat food. Thank you, Mark, for organising it. It's very good.
That was excellent.
Hope you enjoyed this video with me. It's been a great, big, long weekend. I've enjoyed videos of Wales. It's been spectacular scenery, and the weather's hold off as well, although it's looking a bit black over there now. Hopefully it will hold off until the final riders arrive here in Bushley. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye.